Plan ahead and do your research. Before you even step foot on a plane, take the time to thoroughly research your destination and create a detailed itinerary. This will help ensure that you have a smooth and stress-free trip, and will also allow you to make the most of your time at your destination. Pack smart. Overpacking is one of the biggest mistakes travelers make, so be sure to only bring the essentials. This will not only save you money on baggage fees, but will also make it easier to navigate your destination without being weighed down by heavy luggage. Stay safe. Safety should always be a top priority when traveling, so be sure to take the necessary precautions to protect yourself and your belongings. This includes keeping your valuables close, being aware of your surroundings, and following local laws and customs. Stay healthy. Travel can take a toll on your body, so it's important to take care of yourself while on the road. Be sure to eat well, stay hydrated, and get plenty of rest to help prevent illness or injury. Be open to new experiences. One of the best things about travel is the opportunity to try new things and step out of your comfort zone. Embrace this opportunity by trying new foods, participating in local activities, and meeting new people. Have a positive attitude. Things may not always go as planned while traveling, but it's important to keep a positive attitude and not let any setbacks ruin your trip. Remember that you are on vacation and the goal is to relax and have fun. Be respectful of your surroundings. Traveling is a great way to learn about different cultures and ways of life, but it's important to remember to be respectful of your surroundings. Follow local customs and be mindful of your impact on the environment and the local community. Stay connected. It's always a good idea to stay in touch with loved ones while traveling, especially in case of emergencies. Make sure you have a way to communicate, whether it's through a local SIM card or an international phone plan.